What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel. My name is Michael Train, artist and owner of Train and Vein Tattoos in Salina, Kansas. And this here is my daughter, Mila Train. And today we are going to be doing a unboxing video over this here camera. So we have here the Canon EOS R100. And I got this for my daughter for her 13th birthday. She's in photography in school and yearbook. So we thought this would be a great gift for her. And we are recording this on my Nikon Z30. So we're going to be kind of comparing this camera to the Nikon Z30 as we unbox this. Stay tuned and we'll get right into it. Again, we have the Canon EOS R100, and we are going to be unboxing this today and giving a comparison to what we're recording on now, which is the Nikon Z30. So we'll go ahead and open this up and see what's in the box. So first thing we've got here is a charger. Right off the bat, I'd like to say this is already an improvement from the Z30. The Z30 did not come with a charger for your battery, so that's a really cool bonus so far. Camera. Go ahead and get all those pulled out. Alright, so again, we have the battery pack. That's pretty cool. Plug straight into the wall, just like so. And then we have, of course, the battery itself. Canon's little strap for the camera. Go ahead and grab this camera lens out of here. So here is our camera lens. Go ahead and pop that cover off. Looks nice. Here's the back of that. So there we have the camera lens. It adjusts real nice and easy. And finally, we have the camera body itself. So here is the camera body. It doesn't have the screen that can pop out like the Z30, but that's more for recording videos, and my daughter's going to be using this more for photography, so I think this will work just perfect for her. So here we go. We have the Canon EOS R100. And we'll go ahead and I'll show you on the back here. It actually has another lens, so if you're recording yourself, you can flip that around, and so that's actually a pretty cool feature this camera has. So there is the camera with the lens. It is quite a nice looking camera. Feels, you know, very well made. Most of it is plastic, which I would say the Z30, a lot of it's made out of metal. So I would say the quality in the Nikon Z30 is probably a little better as far as durability goes, but I'm sure the technology that went into the cameras is just as good. But there it is. So we'll go ahead, let you check it out for a moment, see what you think. So I think we're all curious, being this is your gift, what is your first impressions of the camera? How do you feel about it?
I love it.
Think it's gonna do everything you need it to do? Awesome. Well, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, please leave those in the comments. And if you'd like to see any more content, anything related to tattooing, art, painting, graphic arts, photography, and even aquatics, fish keeping, that's a hobby that I'm into. I have here a 95-gallon aquarium at the shop with some discus and some other fish. So I'd like to do some videos over that. So if that's something you guys are interested in, definitely leave that in the comments. And if you'd like to see more content, like I said, hit that subscribe button, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.